Go find the eggs, Jonathan and Jennifer.
Oh, no.
Thank you. You got one?
Jennifer. Ew. Come here. Let me help you.
Take the one in the back, Aunt. Okay. Leave that one there.
I saw something too.
What's under there?
This thing in the egg. That's why you take it out of the bathroom.
You saw me, you sneak.
Oh, yeah. I wasn't going to fall for it.
All right.
She found one.
Go show mommy.
He saw that before I did. Uh-oh.
What happened? Oh, he's on your foot. Get on your foot. On top of your foot. Where'd you find him? I gotta make sure I put some killer on him.
Thank you very much.
You find it? You got it? Go get it, Jonathan.
I'm not going to walk in those because there's still some on it.
Yay! He gives it. Give it to mommy. Jonathan, on the brown van on the back. Only as far as the trailer, and they've already gotten a few over there. But there's still more over there Anthony hasn't gotten yet. And Anthony got one. Hey, sweetie. Go over to Anthony's basket. Ant, give Shireen, like, it takes about 5 out of there, and then re-hide them, sweetheart. Okay. Come over here, look over here. I see one over here. It's over here somewhere. Keep looking, Jennifer. Jennifer. Over here. Look inside. Look right in front of you. Look right there. Look down. Look down. Where, Ant? Oh, you found the ants. They go. Watch out for. They found some ants.
I found some
Did you
ants.
hide some?
Yeah.
Okay, Jennifer, go this way again.
sure you look at all the trees. Let's look all over the place.
Yeah, okay, that's one. Jennifer, behind you over there on the wall.
Oh, let Jennifer get one. Okay.
Jonathan, there's one over this way. Jennifer, this way over. There's one over there.
Jennifer, go near the water.
Go turn the water on right there, right by the water.
Look at the tree.
You got it. Well, put the other one in your basket. Jennifer. Hey, Jennifer. Get the green one behind you. Pick it up. Sometimes when you hear nothing, it could be the best prize of all. Yes. Okay, how many do we, let's count them up, making sure. I know Anthony didn't get one of them, though. Not yet, anyhow. How many you got all together? Count them up. You're very good. You got, how many you got in there, Aunt? Very good.
Count Jennifer's? No, he's not taking them. He's counting them.
Well, you better help her because she won't understand him touching our eggs.
Count. I'm gonna count.
11. Anthony's, okay, 5 and 11. That's 16. We're looking for 36 eggs. We need 20 more. Okay, dump them out and put them back in, Mommy. Let's see how many sisters got, though.
Uh-oh.
Okay,
Let's
put them back. Hurry up. Do it fast. 1, 2, 3.
5, 6, 7, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 16. Yay!
Okay, 16. So there's 4 more missing. I think Jonathan likes playing this game. He wants to hide him again. You gotta keep finding. There's 4 more.
This is out on the ground. Come on, he's looking. He's looking. He's going really hard. Anthony found one.
Hey, Jennifer.
Let's look for one. Come on, look. Come over here, Jennifer. Let's look. Let's look really hard, okay?
Jonathan. Jonathan. In front of the car.
Oh, Jonathan's one. Is the other one long enough that she can find one?
Yes. Take her by the basketball goal in the base of it.
Come on, let's go.
Actually, that was for Anthony to see if he was ever going to find him.
What? Jonathan, leave it there. Leave it there. Leave it.
There's one more. It's behind me.
Over here. Where?
This is a good one.
Where?
It's kind of blended in. Either that or yellow.
I can't find it either.
The remaining egg. The kids are all looking over here.
I didn't take pictures.
Okay, Mommy, that's all right. We'll hide them again because they'll want to do this again. Come over here. Well, who wants to do it again?
Oh, I found it.
Thank you. Go ahead and get it. They can't reach you. That was meant for you.
Oh.
Okay, we got them all. Let's do it again?
Yeah.
Okay, give me all the eggs. I'm going to hide them again.
Where's the eggs?
Come on, Jennifer, find one. There's one.
Yeah. Let's touch. Where are they? Where are they?
Go get it. No more under there. I didn't hide him under there. Jennifer. Jennifer. There's one.
What? She's already got a lot already.
That's because she came out with a lot.
Oh. Uh-oh.
Hey, she's talking to you.
Oh. You found one? Yeah, you found one.
Yeah, that's great. All right. Hey, Jonathan. On the back of the white van, can you find it? Jonathan, on the back of the white van. Come here. On the back of the white van. Doesn't want to stay in there. That's okay. Sister's taking care of it. That's very nice. Did you go by the trailer? Follow Anthony. I didn't go any further that way, Aunt. Jennifer, come here. I'll show you one. Here's another one over here. Right there. Look right there. You're inside there. By the trees. Right in there. You got the snake? Right here, Jennifer. Right inside here. Right here, baby. Right here. You see it?
I got it.
That's good. Need to have a free hand. There you go. Okay. Somebody broke an egg open there. Can you pick that one up?
Mommy did.
I think that's all of them.
No, I got more.
I think that's all I have out here.
Mommy.
Oh, Daddy!
You made it in the basket?
I go like this, it hits the side of the... I don't know. Even a throw.
You couldn't do it again, huh?
I know, I did love
Let's see.
I sure love it.
Okay, that's enough. Let's go on inside now. Let's get ready to eat. What time you got, Aunt? Did you say you watch ahead already?
Yeah, 3:40.
Okay. Okay, no more throwing these. I'm gonna spank your leg. Now stop. Let's go. Time to clean up out here. Take all the stuff inside. Because some of these have candy in them and we don't want buggies eating them, so we gotta take them inside now. Did you have fun? Good. That's what it's all about, having fun. Okay, let's go inside and make sure we got 36 eggs. Until next year, sayonara.